Positioned in a quiet court location sitting alongside the Ringwood Golf Course, have I got an opportunity to share with you. My name is Andy Zhang, I'm from McGrath and Box Hill. Welcome to 12 Golden Court in the heart of Ringwood. This brand new home is built to the highest caliber with pristine finishes from top to bottom. Apart from the golf course, you are merely moments away from Eastland, Aquinas College, Jubilee Park, as well as Aquanation. Certainly ticks all the boxes for convenience and luxury. I'm so excited about this opportunity. Can't wait to see you soon.